mashed potato. Some mashed potato. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking lamb shakes. So I've got 4 lamb shakes that I have washed and dried. So I'm going to add some salt. So I'm just going to season with salt and pepper. Just salt and pepper, guys. Nothing much, nothing complicated. Salt and pepper, and then just turn this around and season again with salt and pepper. All right, salt and pepper, just a little bit of pepper. And then I'm just gonna set this aside, guys. Let this marinate like that, and I'm going to get my pan ready. In a large pan, I'm going to add oil. So I've let my pan heat up, and then I'm going to bring my lamb shakes. I'm looking for a golden brown, guys. Golden brown. Looking for a golden brown color. Alright guys, this is the color I'm looking for. I'm just gonna flip this one again. Cook for a little bit more this side. I'm looking for a golden color. This is looking good. Alright guys, I'm just gonna cook this side. And then I'm going to set aside, and then I'm just gonna cook this last one. I'm going to set aside. Now I'm going to add 1 large onion. One tablespoon of garlic paste. And let's just I'm going to add celery. Now I'm going to add paprika, a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of cayenne seasoning, turmeric, a teaspoon of turmeric, and some Italian herbs. Now let's cook this through. Now I'm going to add tomato puree, about half a cup. Now I'm going to add some red wine. And then adding 1 cup of chicken stock and beef stock. I'm going to bring this to boil. I'm going to set this aside and bring a large saucepan. Now I've got my large saucepan there. I'm going to bring this back. Alright, now that's good. Now I'm going to add my sauce. I'm just gonna pour it in. Pour the sauce in. Alright, now I'm adding water. Just make sure it's covered. The meat is covered. Just want to cover that and bring this to boil. Alright, I'm going to cook this on slow for about 2 hours. Alright guys, this is starting to boil. I'm going to add some diced carrots. Just throw them in there. Now I'm going to add rosemary and cover this and simmer for 2 hours on low heat. Guys, after 2 hours, this is how things look. I'm going to remove the rosemary little branches there, remove them. And then let's see how, see guys, this is so nice and tender. All right, it's all nice and tender. This is looking good. Alright guys, to thicken my sauce, I'm just put about 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of water with corn flour or cornstarch, and then I've mixed it up. So this is corn flour with water. Just a little bit to thicken the sauce. So my sauce is now thickened. I'm just gonna simmer for a few minutes and it's ready to serve. Look at that, look at that. So the sauce is thickened by the corn flour. 1 teaspoon of corn flour with a little bit of water, and just pour in the sauce and it thickens. Guys, I'm just gonna add a little bit of spring onion just for garnish. This is looking good, guys. Mashed potato, some mashed potato. Guys, dinner is served. Lamb shake with potatoes, mashed potato.